Energy breathing technique is a very basic Qigong breathing technique. You don't have to feel like you have to control your breath. Really feel that energy breathing helping you, physically, emotionally, and spiritually. So today we're going to focus on energy breathing. So energy breathing technique is a very basic Qigong breathing technique. And it's really important one, even though it seems very simple. But it's usually used first we start breathing through our nose, just in and out. And just be mindful of your breath. So you don't have to feel like you have to control your breath, but then really feel how your body is breathing. And then from there, we visualize as you breathe in, the energy coming into your body from every part of skin, collecting in your lower dantian. And as you breathe out, just any energy you don't need, any energy that doesn't serve you anymore, just transform into something beautiful, shooting out of your body. And that's it. It's very simple like that, but it's really deep. So we are going to do just a little more step-by-step process and really feel that energy breathing helping you. Bring your focus to your lower dantian. See the soft mist of light shining in your lower dantian, and say the password in your mind. I am in the universe. The universe is in my body. The universe and I combine together. And feel you and the universe are merging together as one. And you surrender yourself to this feeling. Open your feet about hip width apart. Bend your knees a little, relax your shoulders. So in order to focus on, feel your body is relaxed, but not loose. Energized, but not tense. When you actually tune into your body, you will start feeling the subtle tingly sensations in your body. That's your chi flowing in your body so freely. And stay with that feeling and start bouncing from your knees up and down. When you bounce your knees too, bounce from your knees, your body is actually stay with feeling of song. Some people try to move every part of your body, but actually more about feeling, noticing how this vibration spreading into your body. So there is no tension, there's no effort. Now scan your body head to toe. All right, so now open your feet a little bit wide. About shoulder width apart, bend your knees a little, relax your shoulders. Again, push your elbows out a little bit. Fingers are slightly open, feel song. Tuck your chin slightly in. Tip of your tongue still touching the roof of your mouth. And put a gentle smile on your face. And now I'll guide you the technique called going into the void. Gently grab the floor with your toes. If my fingers are tall, you kind of grab it like that. But it's very gentle. If anything, you just think about you're doing that. That gentle. And think about raising your knees and thighs up like this, but both legs together, which is impossible. So that's why you're just thinking about it. You're using your your intention, your mind. And when the engage, your chi get activated. So just notice the subtle sensations in your body when you do that. You may feel subtle sensations in your lower stomach or lower back area. And in the same way, think about raising your elbows up like this or raising your arms up like that. Again, you're not actually doing anything. You're thinking about it. You can say it in your mind, my arms are going up. Or you can just visualize yourself doing that. And notice the subtle sensations in your middle back, around your shoulder blade area. But you are not engaging your muscle actively. And feel this lightness going up your spine all the way to your head. And feel this feeling like you are here but not here. You're standing and floating at the same time. We call this going into the void. Void is a place of transformation between being and not being. And this is also a feeling of Qigong focus. When we practice Qigong, we want to focus ourselves like this. When we say focus, we tend to think like this. But Qigong focus is actually more like that. You're opening yourself. So you're trying to focus on every cell in your body at the same time. And you're focusing your connection to everything in the universe at the same time. And now gently bring your right hand in front of your chest, left hand in front of your navel. Keep your hands about 6 inches away from your body. Visualize beautiful column of light running from the bottom of your torso all the way to the top of your head. And feel you are hugging this light in your arms. You may feel kind of a little distance or vibration, like an energy field, and that will keep your arm in a place. Push your elbows out just a little bit so you continue to feel song. Now slowly, your right hand go out just a little bit and down as your left hand come up inside. Moving over yin and yang. Stay with the feeling of void. Like you're here but not here. And feel your body is guiding you. Notice how your elbows are initiating the movement. And your hands are following like a wave moving through. That your elbows doesn't go up and down too high. So stay with slow and gentle movement so you can feel the subtle sensations. Noticing subtle vibrations or subtle movement. But don't slow down too much. When you do that, you're trying to control yourself too much. Instead, you let go. Feel you are observing the slow, gentle movement as if you're outside of your body. Notice the subtle sensation in your hands. See if you can move your body just a little, so your body is not too loose or too tense. As you breathe in, feel the essence of Qi in the universe coming into your body from every part of your skin, collecting in your lower dantian, deep in behind your belly button. And as you breathe out, any energy that doesn't serve you anymore, transform into something beautiful. Light, butterflies, or whatever come to you, shooting out from every part of your body, going back to the ends of the universe. With each breath, feel your chi field is getting purified and refined. Feel your connection to the universe. Fine-tune yourself. From the feeling of void, you can go in. If you like to continue, you can just continue with this practice. And our practice is great, but if you can do even longer, stay with one movement longer. That's even better. If the time is your issue, then this movement is slowly coming to the end. Bring both hands in front of your lower dantian. Breath in.